G'day kids, Ozzie here. Today we've come down to the Oval and we're going to learn all about how to play cricket. And the best part is I've brought a professional cricketer along to help me. He plays cricket for a job. How good would that be? This person plays for the New South Wales Blues and the Sydney Sixers, and he's pretty good. Kids, I'd like you to meet my new friend, Jack Edwards.
G'day Ozzie, how are you?
Very good, mate. Thanks for coming to join us today.
Thank you for having me. Hopefully we can have some fun today and learn a few things about cricket.
Awesome. So Jack is going to teach me and you kids a few of the things that it takes to play cricket. How to bat, how to bowl, how to field, and even how to be a good sport. So Jack, what do you say? Should we go and get started? Maybe start with some of the equipment?
Let's do it.
All right, let's go.